This X-Real Air AR glasses, the hottest gadget in the world of augmented reality. These glasses are about to change the way you see the world. How? Let me explain this very quickly. With their sleek design and futuristic appeal, the X-Real Air AR glasses are a true marvel of technology. But here's the best part. They are priced at just $364. Imagine transforming your reality into a gaming paradise with Aircasting. Play your favorite games or watch movies on a massive 130-inch virtual screen, all right in front of your eyes. It's like having your personal IMAX watching Oppenheimer, not Barbie. Need to get work done on the go? The virtual desktop experience has got you covered. 3 screens at your fingertips, boosting productivity to a whole new level. Bye-bye to kidney bean like Vision Pro. Want to explore the world from the comfort of your couch? AR Space lets you do just that. The possibilities are endless. And guess what? These glasses weigh just 80 grams. So are you ready to step into the future of augmented reality with the X-Real Air AR glasses? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your tech game. The future is here and it's waiting for you. Hit that like button and tag your friends who need to see this. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Do you know?